In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage workspace settings in Slack. To get started, open your browser and go to app.slack.com. Sign into the workspace you want to manage. If you use the desktop app, that's fine too, but following along in a browser can make it easier to see the full admin options. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. You'll usually see the workspace name in the top left, which is a quick way to confirm you're in the right place. Once you're in Slack, look for the admin option. Depending on your view, it may appear in the sidebar or under the workspace menu near the top left. If you don't see admin, you might not have the necessary permissions. In that case, you'll need access from a workspace owner or an admin before you can continue. When you do have access, click admin to enter the administrative area of your workspace. From there, choose workspace settings. This is the central hub for managing how your Slack workspace behaves. You'll find sections that let you adjust the workspace name and URL, set your default language, and define how people join. You can refine member permissions, such as whether new users can invite guests, create channels, or install apps. If your organization needs tighter controls, review options that affect file uploads, message and file retention, and what content can be shared outside your workspace. As you review each section, take your time to read the descriptions Slack provides. Most settings pages include clear explanations of what a change does, and many offer previews or examples. When you make an adjustment, save your changes in that section before navigating away. It's a good habit to make one change at a time, verify the result, and communicate important updates to your team so there are no surprises. Security and compliance are worth a careful look. Confirm who can invite new members, whether two-factor authentication is encouraged or required at the account level, and how long messages and files are retained. For workspaces with specific regulatory needs, ensure your policies match your organization's standards. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check the workspace name at the top before saving any changes, and consider documenting what you changed and why. That way you can roll back if needed and keep your team aligned. That's it. By going to app.slack.com, clicking admin, and opening workspace settings, you have a single place to shape the experience, security, and collaboration standards for your entire Slack workspace.